Hey there, everybody. This is James Lee from LiveTimeLeads.com. How's it going today? I'm super excited. I'm actually taking off early today. I had an amazing week. We crushed all of our goals here at Lifetime Leads, so I'm taking off early. We're going to the beach, and we're going to have a beach weekend to end the summer. So I did promise you, however, on LinkedIn that I was going to give you a video on how to build a landing page. We're actually going to do this landing page in under 10 minutes from beginning to end. So let's get started. Now, the first thing we're going to do is go to Google Sites. You can just simply Google it. It's a website building platform that Google has, and it's actually pretty powerful for really basic stuff like we're doing today. So go to new Google Sites. So you use the new platform that they developed about a year and a half ago. In the bottom right-hand corner of your screen, there'll be a red plus sign. Just click that to create a new site. Now, once that loads, you'll see it's a very basic site with a header. And what we're going to do is we are going to change the image. We're going to hit select image for the header, and we're going to go to by URL. I have a sample property that I pulled up in the area, and we're just going to use this for this example. So you right click the image you want to use for the header, hit copy image address, and then just insert that right here. So it'll take a second to load as it renders it. Oh, not long at all. So bam, it's right there. We're going to change the header type to large banner. It just looks better. We are going to go to title, and we're going to put the address. It's 46 Franklin Avenue, I believe. Yeah, Franklin Street. So 46 Franklin Street. And then hit enter, and then we're going to change it to a heading. It's just a little bit smaller text, and I usually just put the city and state. You can use a zip code if you want. Great. So it looks all right. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go to the top right corner where it says themes. We're going to change it to the diplomat theme. Just looks a lot more professional and sleek. And then we're going to add a logo. So you can add your company logo here. You hit select, and you paste the image URL in just like you did with the photo. So you can right click the link address and then put it right in. And that's the wrong one. So let's just do this. Cool. So you go and click the image address. I did link address. Okay. So, and then put that in. Awesome. So it pulls it right up. Okay. We're going to name our site. I'm going to name it the property. Cool. It shows up here. What you're going to do is you're going to delete that, and then just hit space twice, hit enter, and it'll go away. So you don't have that up there. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to do the call to action. So you go back to insert. We're going to insert a text box underneath. We are going to start with a title, and then we're going to put something to kind of intrigue them. So we're going to say this home will sell fast. And let's do that. Bam. We're going to do, we're going to center that, hit enter, and then we're going to do a heading, and it's going to say, find out the details before, let's see if I spell that right. Okay. Before anyone else sees it on the MLS, something like that. Cool. Awesome. Get them intrigued. Now we need a form. So what we're going to do is go to, it's called typeform.com. I'll link to it in the description of the video on LinkedIn. It's great. You can get 100 leads sent to your email for free every month. You don't have to pay a dime. So click, once you get signed up, it'll take you to this screen. Click new type form, start from scratch. Awesome. So we're going to use this to ask the questions. It's a block. So you're going to click that. First question, name. You can just type it in. What is your name? Cool. Make sure it's required, so they have to type it in. Go back. New block. Email address. So the email field will actually validate the emails in correct format. What is your best email? That's usually what I ask. Awesome. So these are the two things you really want, you got to have so you can follow up with a lead, but make sure it's required. And then you can do anything else. You can put as many questions as you want on there. You can qualify these people as much as you want. Ask, what their income is. You can do whatever you want, really. But I'll just do one example of something. I usually just ask for name and email address of my company and let my salespeople actually go through and work the leads. You'll just get more people to respond. A lot of people don't like to give their phone number out or like to give out too much information. But just for this example, I'm really going to quickly do a multiple choice for you if you wanted to do something like that. So you could type in, what is your moving time frame? Cool. And then you just pick your choices. So ASAP, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, not sure. Awesome. So like I said, you can do whatever you want. Now the next thing you're going to do is go down here. Your form is basically done. So you're going to go down here, click notifications, click this for receive a custom email after each submission. Make sure it's sent to the right email address. You can do the reply to with their answer for what is your best email. So if you reply, it goes back to them directly, and then you can customize all this. I'm not going to go into that, but it'll give you all the information that they gave you. It's super simple. Then you're going to go down to share over here, so we can put it into our Google site. So we're going to do embed, full page embed, get the code, copy the code, go back to our Google site, click embed code, paste that code we got from Typeform, let it render for a second. It does typically take a second. Awesome, looks like it's good. There it is. Now, Google Sites uses a grid locking format, so you can just move it over and center it yourself. Bam. So you got everything you need right here, and now all the other stuff is just extra. So what I usually do is I do a layout of 2 pictures underneath. You can edit the text out if you want to put text underneath it, but I just usually just do the pictures. Just delete these out, trash can them, and then now you just have spots for 2 pictures. Click the plus sign. Select image, and I'll just pull like 2 more pictures out from whatever listing I'm going to be doing. So let's just do cool, nice little waterfront picture. Copy image address, and it's the same deal. You're just putting it in. It's going to pull right from the website. Click the plus here. Select image. Go over one. Get a nice red door here. Copy image address. There you go. You can add YouTube videos. You can add maps. You can do whatever you want. It's really cool. And then you can do like a footer at the bottom, like a custom footer for your company. And that's it. So it's super easy. If you just scroll down here, you can see everything you can add. So you can add calendar links. So they can schedule with you. You can add YouTube videos of the area. You can add anything really, anything that you can think of. A map, which is usually really important. And then once you have that, you have a landing page that can capture leads. You're going to want to publish it, and then pick the URL for it. So I usually just do the address. Oh, I already had that one, so I'll just do this. Cool. Hit publish. Anyone can view your site. Make sure that's right. Awesome. And then you can copy publish site link, and there it is. That's what you're going to send your traffic to, get their information, get the email sent whenever they're interested. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was hard to keep under 10 minutes, but I think we did it. And I'm going to have a bunch of new videos coming out next week. So keep in touch. Make sure you share this, and let your connections know that would be able to use this kind of information in the future to follow us and check out lifetimeleads.com. All right, you guys have a good weekend. I know I will. Thanks.